Question is 5 plus 10. So ato sa atagan si trainer o si Snow na mag-study. Let's see if nag-study magaling pag last 10. Let's know 5 plus 10. Pangatong guys, namin kayong duha.
5 plus 10 be?
So trainer, mana mag-study? So Snow, give me the first number. So Snow grabs number 1. So guys, is the first number correct? Yes, no, Snow, finish your answer. Let's see, birds really love number. Kung tanaw na to if nag-study ba ganyan ang buha. So 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. So rabbits or rat wizards? No.
Very good
So
yung
kids,
bird.
ang technique
Yeah, very good yung bird.
Si trainer, mag-answer na sa ilang module. Oy, hingay ang energy again. Are you guys ready? Alright, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Let's go blue, let's go Azul. So first ball by blue, followed by Azul. So second ball for blue. Second ball for blue, and who's gonna win? Blue wins this game. So it's alright Azul. So trainer wins yellow this game. What can you say?
Oh, the trainer Mary, we want another race.
Ooh, another race now.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Azul to lose again?
Sheesh, my mind.
Well, this time I'm pretty sure Azul and I will win.
So white naked face, striped with small red. So this bird can be found in Peru, Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. But here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have blue and gold husk. There is segment in golden. So golden scientific name is Arana. That's their skills, so they won't get bored. So in the wild, these are
Oh, look na.
food, shelter, and a
Very
good
good.
place for rest. The shape
Yung mga shape snack ba?
So that's a great round of applause for David.
Good job!
So Moody, find the hidden object. So Moody searching, scanning, scan, using your psychic power, or using sensing something. There you go, so you found it. So now pause for second, third, Moody. And yellow crest. So ang crest niya guys, kanang nasa lang head na yellow. Managitawag na crest, cannot see. So next with intervenes is our umbrella. So if you over there has a yellow crest. Underneath is our Moluccan Karato Snow. Now that's Salmon Crested Karato. So that's scientifically known as Aston Indus. Again, this is about to reach the bird. This bird prepare habitat of the black man. Can be found in Southeast Asia. So in Australia, they're called the sea eagle. But here in the Philippines, they're called ano or lawin in the Visayan region. So if familiar mo na ng eagle, so na ang eagle na show sa logo ni Kuya Kim na matang lawin. So that's it, our running kite in that. Next, in serpent eagle can be found in the major islands of the Philippines. So this bird prepare a habitat of the woodland and forest. They are distinguishable among the serpent eagle because part of the body and the wing. They can